Hi guys, Fluff here from techbeatph.com, and we're here to review our very first headset. We're going to review the Gamdias Hebe M1 RGB gaming headset. So it's a virtual 7.1 gaming headset. Stick around and see what we think of it and if it's the right headset for you.
Putting on the headset and actually using it, it has a very comfortable feel. Gaming with the headset is a great experience. It's virtual 7.1 surround sound. You can hear every distinct sound in the game. It also offers vibration notice if there's anything coming close to you in the game. The headset is USB connected. It has a remote control which is attached to the cable. You can use it for applications such as Skype. The headset also offers RGB lighting. You can set the different colors by using the remote. All in all, the Gamdias Hebe M1 headset is a great headset to use. It's comfortable, you can wear it for extended periods of time, and it has a great 7.1 surround sound. If you like our video, please click the thumbs up button and please do subscribe to our channel. Also click the bell icon so you can be notified of the latest content.